In this video, we're going to talk about 5 arguments that can be made if your case has been pending for a very long time at the National Visa Center and you still don't have an interview date. For those of you who are out there waiting, you know how frustrating this can be, or if you are here in the United States and you're waiting for your husband, wife, children or parents to come to the United States, this video is for you as well. There are things that you can do proactively to get the process moving, to speed things along so that they could join you here sooner rather than later. But before I dive into those 5 arguments, visit us at Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now let's talk about this issue. What are the 5 arguments that can be made? Have you filed Form I-130 for son or daughter or both, and your case has now gotten to the NVC level, but for some months now you have not heard anything from NVC in regards to your case? No update, no case number, nothing, and you are getting stressed and depressed over it. Well, you can file an expedited processing request at the NVC and would be scheduled for an interview in a few months from the time that they approved it. Always remember, this does not apply to everybody because it all depends on the length of your application. The first argument that can be made is that the petitioner has a serious medical condition. The focus with this one is on the petitioner, and if there is a serious medical issue going on with the petitioner, medical evidence or records or doctor's letter or something like that needs to be submitted with the request for expedited processing. The second argument that can be made is that there is an urgent humanitarian reason. What is going on with the beneficiary in your country that is making their life there incredibly difficult? The third argument that can be made is that the beneficiary is experiencing severe trauma or has experienced severe trauma. The fourth argument that can be made is financial hardship, particularly financial hardship to the petitioner. Is the petitioner here in the United States going through a very difficult time financially? Perhaps he or she has recently lost a job, or they're facing bankruptcy, foreclosure, eviction or something like that. The pressure is on him or her to get out of debt. There is a lot of debt. What is going on with the petitioner in the financial side that is really putting a lot of pressure on the petitioner? And how can the beneficiaries come in here to the United States to assist with alleviating that financial hardship? Lastly, you could argue that the petitioner needs you in the United States for health reasons. You might be thinking, well, isn't that the same thing as petitioner has a serious medical condition? And the answer is no, not really, because with the last argument that can be made, it doesn't have to be a serious medical condition like cancer or heart failure or some big heart medical problem. It could very well be something like pregnancy, and we've seen how pregnancy works. It doesn't work in every case, but it can be helpful to some cases. Now, just to summarize, again, the 5 reasons that can be argued when you are seeking an expedited request are: 1. The petitioner has a serious medical condition. 2. There is an urgent humanitarian reason. 3. You have experienced severe trauma in your country. 4. Financial hardship. And 5. The petitioner needs you here in the United States for health reasons. I will also say this: if you've gone to the embassy before, if you've been there and you were denied for a visa based on some inadmissibility issue or a problem they've had within your background, work with a professional to prepare you for the interview and make sure you have the appropriate documents in place to bring with you to your embassy interview. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge, so the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye.